Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to help you learn English from scratch. If you've always wanted to learn English but didn't know where to begin, this is the perfect place to start. We'll cover the basics you need to build a strong foundation and get started on your English learning journey. So, let's dive right in and start learning English today. Learning English begins with the alphabet. Start by practicing the 26 letters, both uppercase and lowercase. Focus on their sounds, how each letter is pronounced on its own and in combination with others. For example, A is pronounced as /ei/ and B as /by/. Take your time learning the sounds because understanding them will help you read and pronounce new words correctly. Once you know the alphabet, start by memorizing some basic greetings and phrases that you can use in everyday situations. For example, hello, how are you, or good morning. These simple expressions will help you get comfortable speaking and make it easier to start conversations. Practice introducing yourself by saying, my name is, and asking, what's your name? This will give you the confidence to speak right from the beginning. Start with words you see and use every day. Learn the names of objects around you like table, phone, book, and chair. Then move on to common verbs like go, eat, and sleep, and adjectives such as big, small, happy, and sad. Knowing these basic words will help you form simple sentences and understand others more easily. Once you have some vocabulary, start creating basic sentences. For example, I like pizza, or this is my book. Focus on sentence structure, subject, verb, and object. Practice by combining the vocabulary you've learned. For example, the dog is big, or I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Start small, and then gradually add more words and details as you get more comfortable. Listening is one of the best ways to improve your understanding and pronunciation. Watch English videos, listen to podcasts, or follow along with audio lessons. When you hear a word or phrase, repeat it out loud. Try to mimic the pronunciation and intonation as closely as possible. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural your speech will sound. The best way to learn a language is to practice speaking it every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Find a language partner or speak to yourself in English. Describe your day, talk about your plans, or simply practice saying new words aloud. The key is to keep practicing even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Set small, achievable goals like learning 5 new words a day or practicing for 10 minutes each morning. As you reach each goal, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that will keep you motivated. Write down your goals and track your progress so you can see how far you've come. This will help you stay focused and committed to your learning journey. With these steps, you're ready to start learning English from scratch today. Remember, learning a new language takes time and dedication, so be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So, take that first step and begin your English learning journey now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more tips and lessons to help you learn English. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, and happy learning!